Hey everyone, in today's video we will solve local authority PicoCTF. So let's start. First go to the website and here you can see there is a login page. So enter anything and click on login. So the login failed. Now what you have to do is inspect and see if you can find any hint here. So there you can see here is a secure.js. In the script field you can see there is the script for password checking. Now what you have to do is view page source and go in this secure.js file. Here you can see the username is admin and the password is strong password. This copy this and go to the login page again and paste that password, then login and you got the flag. Submit the flag and that's done. So thanks for watching.